What the freak is up, YouTube? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, we need to get the thumbnail before anything. Okay. So I literally got 2 unboxings for you guys right now.
Apple Watch Series 5? Are you kidding me? And the AirPods Pro? Are you also kidding me?
Like, literally, this quarantine is turning into how many things can I get? Because I'm just wild. Okay.
I'm gonna make a separate video unboxing the AirPods Pro, probably. If not, whatever, we'll figure it out. Definitely need to do this first because I actually didn't purchase this from Apple. I got this from Mercari, and I was just on there perusing as usual, always looking for something to cop, and it was like Apple Watch Series 5, a gold aluminum case with pink sand sport band, like unsealed, unopened, and it was like for the low.
I'm like, something's not right here.
And it really is right, and it really is here, and it really is sealed. So without further ado, people, we need to get right into this, okay? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This literally feels like a dream. So this is my first Apple Watch. I've never had an Apple Watch. I always wanted an Apple Watch, but you know, my parents were like, the same story every time. You can get an Apple Watch when you can afford it, and here we are, people, okay? 21, having fun with lives. All right, so I'm just gonna open this first like this here. So, and you do see what it says. You see the vibes, okay? Yeah, is it focusing? You know what it's saying, okay? I'm like nervous, like I don't know why. Okay, so the inside's low-key mad cute, okay? So let's like set this down. I'm like going crazy. Alright, so here's the sport band. Okay, and here's this inside package situation. Pretty cute, but we're just gonna like set that over here. Ooh, okay. This is like less crazy, so let's do this one first. Got the little pulley John. Just pull her off. And we'll find a way to open her up. This is the 40mm. Whoa, this smells like straight out the factory right now, people. Alright, this is just like some bootleg instructions. Is this really real? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, this is really real. Okay, I'm always hyped. So they give you 2 options, a small and a medium large. I feel like I'm a small because the medium large kind of looks big, but we'll figure that out, okay? I'm like nervous. I don't know. I'm really delving into this. This is like exactly. Okay, am I opening this right? Yeah, okay. That's how I would be doing it, but I shouldn't do it like that. What is going on here? Okay. Here she comes. Okay, so that's what she said, but that's not what she's saying right now because let's go with me. Alright. There we go. Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay, well this is just a little, you know, Apple, like, this is us designed in California, and like, here's like a bunch of stuff you need to know that I can know later. So it comes with the standard charging deal, all wrapped up and nice, and the special Apple Watch charger, you know the vibes with that. Here's what it's all looking like in its package. And now for the actual, like, the, you know, the juice, okay? People, this is so soft and cute. Oh my gosh. It says 40mm. This little pink dust thingy. sorry everybody. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh, like I don't even know like what to do right now. Like this just doesn't seem like crazy. Okay, let's just get this out for starters, okay? I'm just gonna like push this out of here, I guess. I don't wanna like scratch it. I'm like being so careful because I'm scared. Alright, here she emerges. I'm not saying come anymore, obviously. Okay. Just gonna give her a push, like, you know, it's my baby. Give it a push. I don't have a baby. Okay. Whoa, this is like crisp and clean, people. So it seems to appear like a rose gold. Maybe I'm hyping it. The back just looks too clean. Wow. It's really Series 5. Like, I'm really in here. Okay, I'm hyping it. Ooh, okay, so we're gonna just... Let's just do this. Maybe my wrist like isn't that small, but we're gonna see. I don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put it on and like then I'll set it up because I want you guys to like see. Is there like a certain side? I like have no idea what I'm doing. So you know I'm like a newbie here because I don't know how this freaking works. Alright. Okay, so the big side, no, the side with the holes goes I'm like, oh, okay. Alright, bet. Okay. I'm like literally watching the instructions as I like do this with you guys. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's turning on. Sorry, I mean, obviously it's like supposed to do that. Is it supposed to like click into place? I don't know what I'm doing. It's fine, we're learning together, okay? I'm just gonna like do this. Okay. It's just like giving me all these languages and telling me to pair it with my phone. I have no idea what language this is in. Looks like a language that I don't know, so. Alright guys, I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna come right back to you. Alright y'all, I'm back and she is beautiful. Like, I just cannot get over this. Like, whoa. So it's telling me she's ready. Press down the digital crown to start. Whoa. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So she's all set up and I'm hype. I'm gonna go ahead, choose a watch face and kind of just learn how to use like all these gestures and stuff because I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and I just am so excited, guys. Stay tuned for the next video unboxing the AirPods Pros. And yeah, guys, I'll probably do a 1 week with this as well. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.